Welcome to the research stage guidelines. In the second stage of the program, students are required to undertake an academic research project. After receiving a notification email from the academic team, students should log into SIS and navigate to forms and requests. Click Make Request to register for the research stage. Please carefully read all instructions and policies, then confirm all required tick boxes before submitting your request. Once your request is approved, you will receive an official email with research instructions and academic guidelines, which must be followed when preparing and submitting your research materials. The research process consists of multiple stages. After each stage, the status in the system will be updated from pending to approved. First, students are required to submit a research proposal by entering the research title, selecting the specialization, uploading the proposal document. After submission, the proposal will be reviewed, and a supervisor will be nominated. Once a supervisor has been assigned, students begin their research work and submit Draft 1, Draft 2. The supervisor will provide feedback and revision comments for each submission. After completing revisions, students submit the final research, confirm the final title, and indicate whether it may be published in the Institute library. Students upload the PPT slides and receive an email with defense details, including the schedule and format. Attendance at the defense is required. Next steps depend on the defense result: pass with corrections, or fail. Students must complete any additional requirements as instructed. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a successful learning experience.